Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be making this beautiful wood sorrel, or they call it a shamrock. If you Google, these plants have different colors, so you have choices of what color of the yarn you will use. First part of the tutorial will be this beautiful heart-shaped leaves. I will use my 2.5 mm hook size, a green yarn for the leaves, and 9 to 10 inches wire size 0.8 mm. Let's start. To start off, I will make 6 chains as a foundation. After the foundation, I will be crocheting with the wire, so make sure you are comfortable crocheting with the wire. So to do that, you see this bump here, we will insert our hook in the bumps here. It's a little bit tricky, but you will be fine. First row, or should I say first side of the heart, slip stitch. By the way, feel free to write down the written pattern that will pop out on your screen, those who prefer written pattern. So next stitch will be single crochet, and the next stitch will be half double crochet. Then next stitch will be double crochet, and then in the last stitch you will make 3 double crochet. One, 2, 3 double crochet. Now chain 3 and then slip stitch in the same stitch. At this point, you will adjust the wire just like this. Allow me to mention and thanks to my nail artist, Miss Anne. Thank you so much for making my nails so pretty. Now in the second side of the heart, we will be doing the opposite. Chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet next, then half double crochet next stitch, then 1 single crochet, and then slip stitch. Cut the yarn and make sure you leave a long tail. The purpose of leaving a long tail is to wrap the wire before you will assemble the 3 parts of the leaves. So you have to make 2 more of this. This is the purpose of the bending wire, so you can adjust the project before you assemble all of them, and also for you to easily bend them. So make sure you have the right size. You can use 0.6 mm or 0.8 mm. Securing the yarn, once you finish the wrapping, you can either use glue gun or fabric glue, or you can use a knot that will secure the yarn. That's pretty much it. You have now shamrock. Next, grab your yarn for the flowers. So I will be using the yellow yarn. And to begin, make a magic circle. I know some of you are asking, is a magic circle and a magic ring the same? And yes, it is the same, so don't confuse yourself. Inside the magic ring, you will make 5 single crochet and then slip stitch. After slip stitch, chain 1 and single crochet each stitch, so that's the total of 6 single crochet. You gotta repeat this round 3 or 4 times. You can cut this extra yarn here so it won't get in your way. So once you have enough repeat rows, next you will do is chain 5. Insert in the 3rd stitch from the hook with 1 double crochet, and the next stitch will be half double crochet, next stitch will be single crochet, and then slip stitch in the same stitch, then slip stitch in the next, then repeat 5 chain, insert hook in the 3rd stitch from your hook, and then with double crochet, and the next stitch will be half double crochet, and the next stitch will be single crochet, and then slip stitch in the same stitch, and then slip stitch one more time. You're gonna repeat this pattern until you have 5 or probably 6 petals. Actually, it's just 5. Slip stitch one more time and then cut the yarn. Then of course you need to secure your yarn also. It should look like this. Let me show you the other colors. So next thing we will do is to make the seeds. You can use different colors for this part. You can do your own way of making the seeds. It's up to you. This part is not really important as long as you put something in there. But the way of making it, I know you have your own idea or maybe easy way to make it, so feel free to do that. I'm just securing the wire and the yarn just to make sure it won't fall out. Incorporating the seeds with the petals, just do what I'm doing. And you can trim this part here, or you can leave it as it is. And that's pretty much it. Isn't it cute? I would love to see your finished project, so please feel free to tag me if you have an Instagram account. This is how it looks like when you assemble all the parts together. Feel free to share this video with your loved ones or friends that love crafting, especially in crocheting. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye!